This is the blue list. Number 1, thermometer. I used the thermometer to check to see if I had a fever. Number 2 is whenever. I go to bed early whenever I'm not feeling well. Number 3 is 13. I put 13 chocolate chips into my pancakes. Number 4 is wheelbarrow. I use the wheelbarrow to carry fresh dirt into the garden. Number 6 is throat. I had a sore throat, so I sipped some warm tea. Number 7 is thumb. I used my thumb to scrape the dirt off the top of my desk. Number 8 is thermos. I filled my thermos with coffee. Number 9 is wheel. I pumped air into the tire on my bike wheel. Number 10 is thorn. I got pricked by a thorn on my rose bush. Number 11 is whale. I saw a whale swimming in the ocean. Number 12 is thimble. You can use a thimble to protect your thumb while you're sewing. Number 13 is think. Think carefully before you try to spell this word. Number 14 is whistle. We heard the whistle, and that meant it was time to line up because recess was over. Number 15 is which. I can't figure out which is my favorite subject, whether it's math or science. Number 16 is theme. The theme of this book is that good is more powerful than evil. Number 17 is whisk. Use a whisk to fluff up the eggs before making the cookie batter. Number 18 is 30. There were 30 kids in the class. Number 19 is where. I can't remember where I left my shoes. Number 20 is whip. Whip up the frosting so that it's very fluffy before I add it to the cake.